I caught it though.
There you go. Hey, that's enough, Lex. That's enough. Let him run. Don't let the line touch that stone, the wall, because it'll snap.
Great idiot chatter.
Wow, look how fast that thing is.
That's a little speedboat. A little boat.
This is hard work, I'm telling you.
That's a hell of a hookup, man.
That's a lot of hard work.
She's a trooper, dude.
Yeah, keep it up.
She's not kidding. Look at the size of that thing, dude.
No, don't haul it. Don't haul it.
Hey, I won't haul it.
Just gently. Everything is to be smooth. Smooth and gentle.
Anyone else would have
He's a
lost
good
that.
angler teacher.
Hang on a second. A new fisherman would have lost that fish by now.
Oh, that's better.
What pound
Yeah.
test you using?
He's out.
That one, 15.
He has no more fight.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm telling you, these guys don't give up. That's a reasonable fish.
He's out. I'm going to take a picture with you, fish.
Look at the size of those scales, dude.
Holy heck.
Paul, I'm going to take a picture with that, right?
Yes.
Yay.
Oh, he's more than 10.
Oh, yeah, it's a nice fish.
13, 15.
Well done, Lexi.
Good job. Look at Dad or Grandpa. Look at the size of that thing.
Oh, he's easy 15.
Oh, beautiful. Get the scale, Steve.
Can I take a picture with it?
Monster right
My
there.
arm's going to fall
You
off
guys got a
now.
scale?
Yeah.
Can I take a picture?
Well done, Lex. Here.
No.
That was a great fish. That's a nice fat one.
Can I take out the hook?
Wait a minute. Hold on.
Picture of me with this.
I will.
All right, guys. You
See you guys.
guys enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy your stay.
Man, carp are ugly, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh, I think they're beautiful. What are you talking about?
This is the 23-pounder we've been waiting for.
Let's see how big he is.
Let's see how many pounds he weighs.
What do you think?
He feels so gross.
15.
I'd say 17.
Yeah, I'd say about 17 too.
17.
I'll tell you about 20.
I say that.
The one my husband caught was 11 pounds.
Okay.
And he was a little smaller than him.
You did a great job on that, Lex. I'm very proud of
How much
you.
it is, please?
Yes.
What is it? Quick.
It says 0.07.
What? No, that's wrong.
You
Hang
didn't
on.
set it.
Hang on.
What did you catch him on? This. Oh, the bait? Yeah. It's special mitts. 18. Is it heavy?
19 something.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Gee, for my finger.
Can I hold it?